Hey there! Is your Lenovo tablet's touchscreen not responding or acting up? Don't worry, because today we're diving into how to fix Lenovo tablet touchscreen issues. Whether it's unresponsive behavior or erratic swiping, we've got you covered with practical solutions to get your device back in working order. Step 1. Reboot your tablet. The simplest first step is often the most effective. Turn off your Lenovo tablet by holding down the power button until the power off option appears. Select it, wait for a few seconds, and then power the device back on. A reboot can refresh your system and resolve minor glitches affecting the touchscreen. Step 2. Check for system updates. Outdated software can cause touchscreen problems. Go to Settings, scroll to System, and select System Updates to check for the latest updates. Download and install any available updates to ensure your tablet is running on the latest software, which can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Inspect physical damage. Carefully examine your screen for cracks, chips, or significant scratches. Physical damage is a common culprit for touchscreen failures. If you notice any physical damage, you may need to replace the screen or consult a professional technician for repairs. Step 4. Clean the screen. Dirt, grease, and residues can interfere with touchscreen sensitivity. Use a microfiber cloth with a small amount of screen-safe cleaner to gently clean the surface. Ensure there's no moisture left before turning the tablet back on, and avoid abrasive materials that might scratch the screen. Step 5. Remove screen protector. Sometimes screen protectors can disrupt touch sensitivity if they're not applied correctly or if they've accumulated dirt underneath. Carefully remove the screen protector to see if this resolves the issue. If so, consider replacing it with a new one, ensuring proper application. Step 6. Calibrate the touch screen. Your Lenovo tablet might need recalibration to register touches accurately. Navigate to Settings, select Display, and look for the calibration option. Follow the instructions on screen to calibrate your touch screen. This process can realign touch input to screen display accurately. Step 7. Perform a factory reset. If other steps haven't worked, a factory reset can resolve software-related issues. However, this will erase all data on the device, so ensure you back up important information first. Go to Settings, select System, then Reset Options, and choose Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Follow the prompts to complete the reset. Once done, the tablet will restart, potentially fixing the touchscreen issue. Fixing a Lenovo tablet touchscreen doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these steps, you can identify and tackle the problem effectively. Remember to try simpler methods like rebooting and cleaning first, as they often solve minor issues. If the problem persists, consider seeking professional help. By following this guide on how to fix Lenovo tablet touchscreen, you can enjoy a seamless touch experience again. Prioritize gentle handling and regular maintenance to keep your tablet running smoothly for longer. Good luck and happy troubleshooting.